My dear friends, we are with the second chapter of our syllabus. I am teaching you this one, ICSE mathematics, and this is our second chapter, that is banking. This is one of the easiest chapter you can say, and to solve the sums of this chapter, you have to have some minimal idea of banking and the addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. Nothing more, nothing less. So, from the name of this banking, you understood this is related to the bank. So, first we have to understand how many types of accounts are there. There are in bank, there are generally four kinds of accounts are there: savings account, current account, recurring deposit account, fixed deposit account. But in our chapter, this banking is dealing with this recurring deposit account. Okay, so we have to learn about this recurring deposit account. What is recurring deposit? Before that, I'm saying savings account. What is savings account? If we open one account, if we are not a businessman, so that is called savings account. You are keeping some money and withdrawing from there, that is savings account. What is current account? Generally for the business person or for any organization, they have what account they open, that is called current account. And recurring deposit account, before coming recurring deposit account, I am telling fixed deposit account. What is fixed deposit? Fixed, let you have 10,000 rupees, you went to the bank that I will keep it for 24 months. Okay, so that is you are fixing. Before 24 months, if you break, there are some rules, you won't get the full benefit. So that is fixed deposit uh, account. Okay, but what is recurring deposit account? Recurring means, what does it mean recurring? Recurring means recurring means repetition of the same thing. Actually, recurring means the repetition of the same thing. So in banking, what happens if I open a recurring deposit account of 1,000 rupees for let 24 months, then I have to deposit 1,000 rupees in each month. Okay, up to 24 months. Today, if I start it today, so in every month, I have to deposit 1,000 rupees for 24 months. So recurring, repetition of the same thing, this is called recurring deposit account or cumulative deposit account, same thing. Generally we use RD. In if you go bank, there are two popular term, RD and FD. They use RD. RD means recurring deposit account. So I hope it's clear what is recurring deposit account. Yeah, if I keep 1,000 rupees, if I deposit 1,000 rupees in every month for 24 months in a recurring deposit account, so this is called so 1,000 rupees is repeating, depositing 1,000 rupees, so that is recurring deposit account. I'm telling you, it's a very simple chapter. There is only one formula is there, that is this interest. I equal to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r by 100. So what is I? I is equal to interest. P equals to money deposited in every month. What is n? N equal to for how many months account is open. For how many months? And R is rate of interest. Here, one thing is important. Let you go to a bank and you thought, okay, I will keep my money for 24 months or for 2 years. But if you go to the bank and they will ask you that what kind of account you want to open, you told I will open one recurring deposit account. So first question they will ask, for how many months? Then you can say it's 20 for 2 years, but they will say no, there is a rate chart for month. So generally in bank, if you go and there will be a rate chart, and that is for like 22 months or 23 months or 24 months or 36 months, 33 months, like that. So bank deal with the months, not the year. So if in any sum year is given, then we have to express it, or we have to convert it in the month. That 2.5 years equal to how many months? We'll do it, no problem. So first listen this, understand this one. This is the formula of interest. I equal to p into n into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r by 100. This is the one and only formula. Okay. And where I equal to interest, what does it mean? Interest is, I think you have the idea. Interest means if you suppose you have 100 rupees you kept in the bank for 12 months. After 12 months bank will give you something more. Okay, so how much more you are getting from the bank, that is interest. And P, the money deposited in every month, means like installment. In every installment, in that example I told that 1000 rupees for 24 months. So I have to deposit 1000 rupees in every month. So that 1000 rupees is the P. Okay. And here n is for how many months. So for how many months you were opening the deposit, recurring deposit account, so that is n. And r is the rate of interest. One more thing is here, that is called maturity value, mv, or maturity value. Maturity value equal to what is maturity value? Now let you keep 100 rupees for 1 year, means for 12 months, and in bank is giving you a 5% interest. So you kept 100 rupees. After 1 year, or 12 months, you will see what is your outstanding balance. That will be 100 plus the interest earned by that 100 rupees, that is 5 rupees, because 5 rupees is the rate of interest. So total amount right now will be in your bank is 105. So that is called the maturity value. So how much you deposited and how much you earn as interest from the bank together, called the maturity value. So maturity value here, let you are depositing uh, amount of money for n months. So how much you are depositing? You are depositing p into n, because in every month p rupees, for n months p into n plus interest earned by you. Together it is called maturity value. I hope it's clear that maturity value. Here, one thing you notice in this formula, how many things are there? One, two, three, four. So, four things are there. Three things will be given, and one thing you have to find out. So, how many types of sums are there? Four kinds. Sometimes they will give these three and will ask the interest. Next, they can give interest, N and R. They will ask to find you will be asked to find the value of P. Another sum I, P and R will be given and you will be asked to find N. In another case, these three will be given and R we have to find out. Okay, so four kinds of sums are there, and I'm telling you, most of the times in ICS exams, this type of sums came. Okay, so let's jump to the problems. Okay, so first problem where we will find the interest. My friends, I hope most of you know. Okay, that how to convert years to months. Okay, but if you don't know, some of my friends might don't know or forgot, so for them this portion. Okay, others can skip this portion. So convert years to months. We know that 1 year equal to 12 months. So if I ask you 2 years, how many months? 2 years equal to 1 year, 12 months. So 2 years, 2 into 12. So 24 months. Whenever you have to convert years into months, multiply it by 12. So if it is broken like 2.5 years equal to how many months? So 2.5 years. So first 2.5 means 5 by 2 years, multiply it by 12, 30 months. Okay, I hope it's clear. If it is given, let 3 by 4 years equal to how many months? So simple, very simple. 3 by 4 means 1 year not completed. 3 by 4 years into 12. So 9 months. Okay, I hope it's clear to all of you, because this thing uh, is very useful to solve the sums. Okay, when we will solve sums, we will apply this one. Okay, if you don't know or you forgot, please look into this matter carefully. Okay, now this is our second sum. Okay, so I hope first sum was clear. Now this is the second sum. Again, in this sum we will write first, like as this first sum, what are given. Okay, so Bisal has a cumulative bank account, and you read it, cumulative bank account and a recurring deposit account are same thing, and deposit 600 per month for a period of 4 years. If he gets this much amount as interest at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. Okay, now what things are given? 600 deposits in every month. So given that P equal to 600, then per month for the period of 4 years. So N equal to 4 into 12, 48 months. Okay, and he got as interest. So I equal to 5 8 8 0. Okay, and R is how much? That is interest, a rate of interest. So now put in the formula. Only one formula we know. So we know that I equals to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Now again, look at here. Three things are given. You have to find R. So second sum this is. In first sum we found I, here R. So in the next two sums we will find N and P. Okay, when other things will be given. So this is 5880 equal to P is 600, N is 48 into 49 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. We have to find R. No issue. So if we calculate it, 24, so 2, this one cancel. So 5880 equal to, if we multiply 6 2s are 12. R. So R equal to 5880 by 588. So if we do it, it will be 10. So hence the rate of interest is 10%. So very easy sum. It was three things are given. We have to find out R. So I hope it's clear to all of you. Next, jump to the next sum where we will find this one P. Okay. Next, look at equal to 36,000 plus 4,440. So it will come 440,40440. So hence you have to write hence the maturity value is rupees 40440. So this is the first sum. Okay, so we will jump to the second sum. Okay, this is our third sum. Ovi has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years at 6% per annum simple interest. If he gets 1200 as interest at the time of maturity, find the monthly installment. Find the monthly installment. So I told here we have to find P. Let's simple thing, same way you write which are given. So given that P equals to 2 years at 6% per annum simple. P is known? No. P is unknown. Then N is given? Yes, 2 years. So 2 into 12. So 24 months. I hope if you write this way, no, the examiner need not to check the question paper also. N is given this one. R is 6% per annum, and interest is rupees 1200. These are given things. See, three things are given. One we have to find out. Simple way, we have one formula. We'll write, we know that I equals to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Okay, so I is 1200, P is unknown, so keep P, no issue. N is 24 into 25 by 2 into 12 into R is 6 by 100. Look at 2 into 12 into 24 got cancel. 25, this is 4. 6, 200. Then P equals to 200 into 4. So 800. Finish. Very easy, son. So you have to write, hence the monthly installment is rupees 800. I don't need to give this one. Yeah, rupees 800. I hope this sum also clear. Okay, in the next sum we'll find n. It is little bit tricky, but don't worry, we'll clear. So these four types of sums are there. Other sums are similar to this. Okay, so let's jump to the next sum. Okay, this is our third sum. OV has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years at 6% per annum, simple interest. If he gets 1200 as interest at the time of maturity, find the monthly installment. Find the monthly installment. So I told here we have to find P. Let's simple thing, same way you write which are given. So given that P equals to 2 years at 6% per annum, simple. P is known? No. P is unknown. Then N is given? Yes, 2 years. So 2 into 12. So 24 months. I hope if you write this way, no, the examiner need not to check the question paper also. N is given this one. R is 6% per annum, and interest is rupees 1200. These are given things. See, three things are given. One we have to find out. Simple way, we have one formula. We'll write, we know that I equals to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Okay, so I is 1200, P is unknown, so keep P, no issue. N is 24 into 25 by 2 into 12 into R is 6 by 100. Look at 2 into 12 into 24 got cancel. 25, this is 4. 6, 200. Then P equals to 200 into 4. So 800. Finish. Very easy sum. So you have to write hence the monthly installment is rupees 800. No need to give this one. Yeah, rupees 800. I hope this sum also clear. Okay, in the next sum we'll find n. It is little bit tricky, but don't worry, we'll clear. So these four types of sums are there. Other sums are similar to this. Okay, so let's jump to the next sum. Okay, now this is the last sum. Okay, that Sam has a recurring deposit account in a bank of 2000 per month at a rate of 10% per annum. If she gets 83100 at a time of maturity, find the total time for which the account has held. Okay, okay. Now how to solve this one? I discussed this one that here which are given first we'll write. Okay, solution first given things. uh, P is given is per month 2000. This will be a little bit big sum. Okay, don't worry, but easy sum. 2000. Then R is 10%. She gets this one at the time of maturity, so MV is given 83100. Okay, now we have to find the time. So let t equal to n. Okay, we know that n months. Now MV equal to P into n plus I. MV is given 83100 equal to P is 2000 n plus I is 2000 into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R is how much? 10%. So 10 by 100. And now 100, and then this is, look at here, these 100, this 20, this 20 all will get cancelled. So 831 equal to 20n plus n square plus n by 12. So 831 into 12. Achha, 831 into 12. We'll do it here. 831 12. 9972. So 9972 equal to 240n plus n square plus n. So there is a quadratic equation. So it seems to be difficult, but it's not. Equal to 0. Now you have to solve this quadratic equation. I'm telling you this, if you do it, it will come uh, n square plus 277 n minus 36n minus 9972 equal to 0. So n into n plus 277 minus 36 if you take common, so n plus 7 equal to 0, n minus 36 into n plus 277 equal to 0. So if you solve it, this is 0. So what are the values of n? N equals to 36 comma minus 277. But n is what? Number of months. Number of months. Okay. So number of months cannot be negative. So 277 cannot be, minus 277 cannot be. So hence the required time period is 36. So this is the sum. Actually, there will be a quadratic equation and it's a little bit big, so you have to do it. A 9972, you have to you have to do this one, prime factorization. Then you have to find these two. Okay. So I hope this chapter is clear to all of you. These four sums and conversion from year to month. Okay. So if you keep in your mind all these things, so surely you will able to solve all the sums from your this textbook and solve it and keep it with us. Okay. And I hope I can make by your inspiration next videos and which will be helpful to all of you. Thank you.